Howdy, y'all. This is Thomas here, bringing some news and awareness to the ever-changing NFT market as it continues to ebb and flow, up and down. Go check me out on all the other social medias, Thomas Alicea. I should actually drop them links in there, huh? Probably should get a little bit more serious about it and put the links in there. So let me know. Let me know if y'all gonna reach out and stuff and drop a comment and stuff, and I'll start putting that in. And yeah, so like I said, NFT work. So the trading volume, and that's something that's interesting about the trading volume, right? Like the trading volume goes down if there's not as much buying and selling, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it's bad news, because there's also consolidation phases that you only have so much money. If you bought 10 NFTs and you plan on holding them for a long period of time, well, and you got to wait on some other funds, or other life things are happening, well, then you're going to take a break. So I mean, you got to take all indicators with a grain of salt, and really try to put them into context. But with that being said, the NFT market has increased in trading volume. So of course, the traders are happy about that. That's so if you got to kind of really think about the type of investing that you're doing. There might be some overlap, but that really comes down to self-analysis and thinking about and risk tolerance and those type of things. So that's just a part of the journey. So do your own due diligence, work, be smart about it. You got some beautiful NFTs out there, really successful projects, and then you got some flops, but that's on you. So you got to pay attention and do the best work that you can do. So, after setting records in January, the NFT market saw gradually sinking trading volume over the course of February. That makes sense. You just can't do all-time highs forever. That's unrealistic as well. And that decline continued into March, but the latest data suggests that the NFT trading is on the rebound of late. The total trading volume in Q1 2022, it topped 20 billion. So it is a growing industry. It's not, the market's not even that mature. It's like still the NFT market's still trying to learn how to walk. So that's super early investment. And there's going to be some pets.coms out there. For y'all who are unfamiliar with that, so you're gonna have to do some more due diligence. Search up that pets.com and see, because you don't want to be purchasing that. There's some Amazons out there and there's some pets.com. So that's what it comes down to is utility, real purposes, and also the fact that developers can mean well and not get the market reception that they're looking for. So that it doesn't necessarily have to be intentionally a scam. Not everything sells. According to data provided by DAP Radar, the excellent source, definitely check them out. The wider NFT market generated 2.63 billion worth of total trading volume in March across all platforms. So the bigger the trading volume is, more money is being maneuvered around. That allows for big institutional investors to come in, and get their say in the speculation, and also find the projects that they believe in as well. But it needs to be there. It has to be in a liquid. They like that liquid state. So, that's where that kind of corporate adoption is happening. So stay tuned for that. We really haven't seen that come across in the NFT space. That hasn't become mainstream in the NFT space, should I say? So that's that's an interesting development. If and when it occurs, that's going to be a major catalyst. That's really going to take it to the next level. We did see some MLB and the NBA, and those are some legit billion-dollar industries. So those are really interesting to take a look at, and we'll see as it continues. We'll see if McDonald's and everybody else wants to get involved in there. Some of them big household names. So that's going to be a major catalyst. The figure is down from 3.87 billion in February, and 5.63 billion in January. January was a hot month. There was a lot of buying and selling that month. So but there's, like I said, there's some consolidation. All told, that puts the total NFT market trading volume at about 12.13 billion for the first quarter of 2022, considering that the wider market generated 25 billion in trading volume for all of 2021. Per DApp Radar, it suggests a potentially sizable year-over-year increase to come for 2022 if the market continues at this pace. So that's something that you want to take a look at, because it's got to be compared to itself. It's not a mature market yet, so it's that's what it is. And early investors, you're gonna get some worms in there, and you're gonna get some duds. So do the due diligence. But overall, the market itself has increased year over year. With the expectations, this is some nice some nice chart. You see some massive raises here in trading volume. Beautiful large. That, like I said, that brings out the the amount of money that's being coming in. So let me know what projects y'all believe in. If there's any up and comer ones out there that we should review on the channel, stay tuned for. And yeah, let me know. Like and subscribe, hit that bell so you can be the first to know. And also, I want to know if y'all all are y'all buying the dip today, because the markets are selling off hard. A lot of a lot of big sectors have sold off. So let me know if y'all are buying the dip, or are y'all panic selling. Let me know. I'm interested to get some sentiment feedback.